Hi everyone, this is the Patriotic Robot. Hope all of you are doing well today. Got us another strange story here. Kind of sad, but also very strange. It's titled "A Cassowary, a Rare Emu-like Bird, Attacks and Kills Florida Man," officials say. Yeah, there's a picture of him there. Kind of a pretty bird if you didn't know what they're capable of. I guess it's still a pretty bird, but says a cassowary, a giant bird with long claws on each foot, killed its owner after he fell in the backyard of his Gainesville, Florida home, officials told CNN. And this story is I think it's from the 17th, I believe it was. Oh, I'm sorry, the 15th. Yeah, I had tried to put together this video around that time, but I just got involved in other topics and it got pushed to the side. So I just wanted to go ahead and finish this video and bring this story to all of you. So I hope you enjoy it. Where was we at? Oh, the bird's owner, Marvin Ayos, who is 75, according to CNN affiliate WCJB, made the initial call to 911 Friday about 10 a.m. Eastern Time. A second call came from another person at the scene who reported a medical emergency involving a large bird, said Lieutenant Joshua Cruz of the Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Hayes was transported to a nearby hospital where he died, the lieutenant said. It's very sad. The cassowary remains on Hayes' property as authorities conduct an investigation into the attack, he said. The owner was a breeder of the rare bird that is native to Australia and New Guinea, Alachua County Deputy Fire Chief Jeff Taylor said. The death was an accident, officials say. It appears the man fell and the cassowary attacked him after the fall, Taylor said. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission considers cassowaries Class II wildlife, meaning they pose a danger to humans and are subject to specific cage requirements. Owners must also have substantial experience with the animals, the commissioner says. Class 2 is the same category as alligators, honey badgers, and clouded leopards, while Class 1 includes more traditional predators such as lions, tigers, and bears. So it's ranked up there as pretty dangerous. So they grow more than 5 feet tall, and the heaviest females can weigh more than 160 pounds, the zoo says, this San Diego Zoo. Males weigh up to 120 pounds. The cassowary is rightly considered the most dangerous bird in the world, the zoo says. Each three-toed foot has a dagger-like claw on the inner toe that is up to 4 inches or 10 centimeters long. The cassowary can slice open any predator or potential threat with a single swift kick. And so this is the follow-up to that article. This is updated 4:12 p.m. Thursday, April 25th, 2019. So this is a little more recent, this article. The giant cassowary that killed its owner last week in Florida will be up for auction this weekend. Marvin Hayes, who breeds the huge birds, was killed April 19th when one of his cassowaries attacked him, and after he fell in the backyard of his Gainesville home, the Alachua County, Florida Sheriff's Office said. The San Diego Zoo says cassowaries are considered the most dangerous bird in the world, which we read in the previous article. Now that cassowary, as well as a second cassowary and all of Hayos's other animals, will be sold at the Gulf Coast Livestock Auction on Saturday. One of Marvin's wishes were his animals to be sold at auction as soon as possible. Gulf Coast Livestock Auction says in a Facebook post. Yeah, so what's going on today? If you want a giant killer bird, just slide on over there and place a bid on that prehistoric looking. It's like a deranged turkey almost. The group says Hayos had been a friend for years and they would greatly miss him. In addition to the cassowaries, Hayos' emus, macaws, marmosets, lemurs, and exotic livestock are up for sale. Although cassowaries are flightless, they can jump up to 7 feet in the air and swim. The San Diego Zoo says their 3-toed feet have a dagger-like claw on the inner toe that is up to 4 inches long. Yeah, that was in the previous article also. This is the Facebook post here. Well, there you have it, folks. A crazy tale, a terrible, well, I mean, anyway, a person meets their demise is terrible, but this is a strange way to check out with this world. Get attacked by a giant bird. Yep, there he is there. Well, that's it for this one. I'd like to thank all of you for stopping in here and checking these crazy stories out with me. And if there's any stories that you're interested in and you want to find out more about and you'd like me to make a video on, just drop them in the comments below. And as always, I try to read all of the comments below, and I greatly appreciate all of you, leaving comments, and I learn things, and other viewers learn things, and it's really cool. So I appreciate all of you to comment if you have the time, and also to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next video, thank each and every one of you for stopping by. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless each and every one of you. Patriotic Robot signing off.